2017 GMC. This is good for, video is good for any direct injection engine. So this is direct injection. We took off the intake, and this is, we've already done a couple cleanings just through the intake on the valves on these. And you can see, and this will be the same for any direct injection engine, the amount of carbon built up on the intake valves. Now, like I said, we've already done a couple intake cleanings on this where we'll spray some cleaner directly into the intake, and it has helped. We were getting a misfire on number one, this one, but actually every single cylinder, same issue. You've got that big amount of carbon, and especially right there in the back of the valve, you can see that valve's got to go up and down, and that carbon on that valve stem is definitely going to hinder that. And on some of them, you'll see that there is carbon buildup. On this one here, you can see on the valve there, that carbon buildup. If that carbon buildup gets so big, that valve will not close completely, and that's going to create a misfire as well. So all the valves are just about the same here. You've got carbon on every single one of those, and so each one is going to be cleaned. And that is, in this case, a GMC engine. But any direct injection engine, you're going to have the same deal. I think Honda sprays a little. They've got one injector that sprays directly into the intake to help clean those valves. But in this case, Audi, I know, is the same. Volkswagen. They all need to have the back of the valves cleaned on a regular basis, and that becomes a maintenance item.